Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can go grave digging and grow a garden. So basically just talk to Doug and then select the let's go grave digging. It's going to kind of teleport you, and basically I have 0 out of 10 digs so far, but every few minutes it restocks like how many shovels I have left, how many digs I have left, and basically I have about 50 seconds left to, well, I have 15, I have 40 now, 40 seconds to wait for this to kind of like refill itself. But basically I have like 1 hour to kind of just dig the grave. It's kind of like a lucky thing. If you see like a little bit of color pop out, you're going to want to dig. Here, I'll show you in about 20 seconds. You do have to wait, I'm so sorry, but you'll need to dig, and hopefully you digged at the spot where there's like an item underneath it. So it's kind of like a lucky thing. Like you can see there's one here. I think there's one here. Obviously there's one here. So I'm going to, oh, it stocks 1 shovel per 5 minutes. So I'm just going to open this up, and I got 1 suspicious soup. So 1 shovel refill is equal to 5 minutes. So yeah, that's how you can do that. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.